Hi, I'm Dino, the second generation of Yida Abrasive. We're a professional manufacturer of abrasive products. So welcome to our factory tour. And now let's get it started. You're entering our office area, including the purchase, finance, the human resource, the sales team, and our showroom upstairs. Now follow me to the showroom. We are a professional manufacturer of abrasive products, quality since 1992. Our main product range is the cutting and grinding series, wire brushes, coated abrasives, and the polishing discs. Our company target for long term is helping customers to have a one-stop solution for all purchase of abrasive products. We're also a licensed manufacturer of Bosch X-Lock series. OEM is also available. This is our factory brand, Encore. We're looking for agent in global. So if you're interested, why not contact us and join our Encore family? For domestic market, we're mainly focusing on the shipyard. So in the shipyard market, our advantage is the safety and the efficiency guarantee. We're the biggest supplier of abrasive products in China. Our customer is like the transportation ship, the submarine, the aircraft, the battleship, like the military order. For exporting market, we are supplying to over 50 countries in the world since 2000. Thanks to the experience from our domestic shipyard market, we are able to provide customer not only the product but also the whole solution, including like different application or machines. Now you're entering the green area in our factory. This is the place where workers have the most relaxing moment in our factory after work. Now follow me to the plant area. We have mainly 4 plants. On my left side, it's the cutting and grinding, the wire brushes. On my right side is the silicone flexible disc and also the coated abrasive. This is our raw material warehouse. Monthly, we have like 10 million raw material available for production use. Once you place any like rush order, we're able to give you started like right away. This is our test center. We have all the equipment available here. No matter for the raw material or for the finished products, we will do all the inspection here. Now follow me. We have all the equipments for the raw material like the rusting test, the sanding, this is for the flatness, for the wire strands, for the wire twisting. All the samples after test will be well kept. This is for the live agent issue. And on my left side is our chemical laboratory. We do all the chemical analysis here. This is for the vibration. This is for the RPM, for the safety. All the standards and the records are displayed on the wall. This is my quality control team. They're mainly responsible for the inspection daily, and all the results are kept well. Both of them are very experienced. It's really important that because sometimes the test result cannot tell you the truth. But the hand feeling and the knowledge, the experience from the workers, they can tell you in the first sight. Okay, this is our testing workpiece, including the rectangular pipe, the round pipe, the solid bar, stainless steel, metal, the magnets steel, the stones, garnet, marble, everything. We also have the manual test place. We have the automatic test place. This is the cutting. This is the grinding. For power tools, we also have different quality line because sometimes the testing result is not matching with customer side only because of the power tools. We have different standard of the quality of the power tools in order to match. This is our main warehouse. We're investing like 20 million in stock monthly just in order to support our customer with faster delivery. Our warehouse is strictly following the Vivo mode and quality control system. In the following videos, I will also take you to visit each of our plants. So thanks for watching and please keep following us. Thank you.